Have you ever cared so much for someone that it felt like your heart was begging just to be seen? But no matter how much you gave, you were always the one holding on tighter. Her name was Rania, a soft-hearted girl with a smile that hid the storms inside her. She never planned to fall for him. It started as a simple friendship, group projects, study sessions, polite messages that turned into late-night chats. And slowly, she started to care, not in a dramatic way, but in the way where his salam would make her entire day better, where his silence would feel louder than any noise in her world. She would make dua for him. She'd think about his future, worry about his pain, even when he never asked. But the hardest part? He didn't feel the same. Not really. He was kind, polite, friendly, but never intentional. Every time she hoped, he gave her confusion. Every time she reached out, he stepped back. But still, she stayed. Maybe one day he'll realize. Maybe I just need to be patient. But days turned into months, and she slowly realized she was always the one who cared more, always the one with deeper feelings, always the one who got hurt. One night, after checking her phone for the 100th time and seeing nothing, she broke. Ya Allah, why does it always hurt me more? I give, I care, I stay loyal. And still, I end up alone. Why do I keep loving those who never love me back? And then, she came across a reminder. A simple video, a voice that said, sometimes Allah hides their love to protect your heart, because you're loving someone who was never written for you. That night, she cried, but for the first time, not over him. She cried for her own heart, for how far she had drifted from Allah. She raised her hands and whispered, Ya Allah, if this love isn't from you, take it from me. Replace it with your love. Make me love the one who leads me to Jannah, not heartbreak. And that night, she slept in peace, not because it stopped hurting, but because she let go and trusted Allah with the outcome. To every heart that's tired of caring alone, to every soul exhausted by one-sided love, remember, your heart was not created for pain. It was created for tawakkul, to rely on the one who never abandons you. When you let go for the sake of Allah, He gives you someone far better, someone who loves you through Him. Be patient, let go, and trust the author of your story.